Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your laptop to a Wi-Fi network. Whether you've just set up a new computer or you're having trouble getting online, this step-by-step guide will help you connect in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, take a look at the bottom right corner of your laptop screen. That's where you'll find the network icon. It usually looks like a small globe or a series of curved bars. If you see the globe symbol, that means your laptop isn't connected to any network yet. Go ahead and click that icon. A small panel will open showing all the available Wi-Fi networks near you. If Wi-Fi is turned off, you'll need to enable it first. Just click the small Wi-Fi button in that menu so it lights up. That means it's turned on and scanning for networks. Once your laptop finds the available networks, look for the one you want to connect to. You'll usually recognize it by name. For example, your home network or office Wi-Fi. Click on that network name, then hit connect. If the network is secured, Windows will ask you to enter the Wi-Fi password. Carefully type in your password, making sure to match upper and lowercase letters, then click next or connect again. After a few seconds, you should see a small confirmation message that says connected, secured. This means your laptop has successfully connected to the Wi-Fi and you can now browse the internet. To double check, look again at the bottom right of your screen. The globe icon should now be replaced by the Wi-Fi signal bars. If it says internet access underneath, that confirms everything is working perfectly. Now, let's go through a few quick tips in case your laptop doesn't connect. If you don't see your Wi-Fi network listed, make sure your router is powered on and broadcasting the signal. You can also try turning your laptop's Wi-Fi off and back on again from the same menu. That often fixes connection glitches. If you're still having trouble, restart your laptop or move closer to your router to get a stronger signal. And finally, make sure airplane mode is turned off. That feature disables all wireless connections. Once connected, your laptop will automatically remember the Wi-Fi password, so you won't have to enter it again next time. It will reconnect automatically whenever that network is in range. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to connect your laptop to Wi-Fi in Windows 11. It's quick, simple, and something you'll only need to do once for each network. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.